वेलकम टू द पॉइंट। स्वागत है आपका द पॉइंट में। एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन क्वेश्चंस टाइप 2। ओके, परम्यूटेशन एंड क्वेश्चंस permutations and combinations type 2. Type 1, yesterday I have already covered type 1 and you practice those questions. Okay, and today I am going to tell you type 2. Just pay attention. Okay, suppose 1 plus G N A T U R E. This signature word is given and the question is how many words can be formed from the letters of the word signature if all the vowels come together. All the vowels come together. All the vowels come together. Okay. So type 2 I am going to teach you. If all the vowels come together or all the consonant come together. So 2-3 questions I will tell you, and by that the concept will be clear and you will learn this type of question in exam easily. You can do it. Okay. So in the word signature, how many in the letters of the word signature, how many words can be formed if all the vowels come together? Okay. So how many words there? So S I हो गया, then G N A T U R E. Okay, 4 vowels and 5 consonants. Okay, so if all the vowels have to come together, then you have to take these 4 vowels as a one letter, Okay, so 5 plus 1 6, so factorial 6. Okay, now between these 4 there will be combinations. So how many combinations will be there? Factorial 4. Okay, so answer will be, your answer will be factorial 4 into factorial 6 into factorial 4. By simplifying this you will get the answer. I am not simplifying, I am leaving this you for you as a homework. You simplify factorial 4 into factorial 6 and you will get the correct answer. So if all the vowels come together, then you have to make all the vowels together as a one letter. Okay, and these consonants 5 plus 1, so factorial 6 will be formed. Then among these 4 there will be words from factorial 4, then factorial 6 into factorial 4, and this will be the answer. Okay, so this will be your answer. So take next one more example I will take, then this type of questions will be clear to you. Okay, so now the next word is optical. OPTICAL, optical. This is the word. So from the letters of the word optical, how many words can be formed if all the vowels come together? If all the vowels come together, then O is one vowel, P, T, I, C, A, L. There are 4 consonants. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet and 21 consonants. Okay, I am repeating for you if you have forgotten it. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So here 3 vowels. So how many letters will these 3 will take as a one letter? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So factorial 5 will be the letters into factorial 3. Into factorial 3. You solve this. This will be the your answer. This I am leaving you for you as a homework. Okay. So you solve this. Okay. So another question. software. The same question, how many words can be formed from the letters of the word software if all the vowels come together? So all the vowels come together, right? S, O, F, T, W, A, R, E. Okay. So three vowels are there. You take this as a one unit, one letter. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So factorial 6 into factorial 3. You multiply and solve this. Sometimes in options the answer is given in this form also, factorial 6 into factorial 3. So first look at the options. What are the answer options? If answer is given in this form, then your job is done here only. Okay, no need to multiply and solve the answer. So if the answer is in solved form, then you have to solve, otherwise you don't solve. Okay, sometimes answer may be given factorial 6 into 6 because factorial 3 value is 6. Okay, that will be, you look at the answers, what is the option is given. Okay, so next, how many words can be formed from the alphabets of the word leading if all the vowels come together? Okay, so write L, E, A, D, I, N, G. 4 consonants and 3 vowels. Again, very easy, factorial 5 into factorial 3. This will be your answer. So by this type 2 is completed. I am making short videos so that you can understand the concept very easily and you don't forget it. Okay, you don't forget it. So type 2 in permutation and combination is completed. Next type 3 I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, till then keep practicing and subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay, so that you will get the notification and you will not miss a class. Okay, thanks a lot.